In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image without Canva Pro. It's 100% free. Okay, let's create a blank project. I'll just select Instagram post for this demonstration. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, now tap on the Apps icon in the left corner of the Options panel. Now search for Background Eraser. Okay, you'll see various results, but these two are the ones that we need to use. You can use either of these two, you can try both of them, and select the one that gives the best result. Let me select this first. Now, tap on Choose File. Okay, I'll remove the background of this image. Let's select this and tap Open. Now, tap on the Remove Background button. It may take a little while to remove the background, so be patient. Okay, as you can see, we have the background removed, and it's pretty good. You can use this tool to remove the background from any image and use it on your design for free. Please like and subscribe if it is helpful.